Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create this super easy marble inky nail look. First up, I'm going to take white magic, a nice coat of that all over the nail and cure for 30 seconds. Followed by your original top coat, again cured for 30 seconds in your lamp. Then with your chosen inks, you're going to want to shake them up to activate the pigment in them. And then literally just dab and dot them all over the nail where you want them, blending them as you go with your lighter shade. You could have left this one here, but I wanted a slightly darker, brighter look, so I'm going in with a second coat of everything. And again, I'm using my lightest shade, my yellow, to blend the other colours together, so I'm being quite liberal with that. When you're happy with the look, just give it a nice coat of top coat and you are done. And you're left with a really easy marble look.